These are the new study pods. There are people in the library, so be quiet. But I am the very first person to use them, and they went and took my picture. It's really cool, but they have like little climate controls in there, and it's basically just a study booth. You can plug your devices in and work. It's really cool. This one we just opened up, and here, let me show you inside. All right. Okay, so I'm in the study pod, and it has like a little light that you can adjust. See, it's like a touch light. This is so cool. Reminds me of those like little Japanese hotel things that have like coffee and chair and stuff. But it has an air filter in here, so you get like nice fresh air. Yeah, I mean it's a small space, but you got a little table here. There's your outlets right over there, and the voice in here. The acoustics are perfect for like drowning out all the background noise, and you can't really hear anybody outside. We ran a couple tests, me and the some of the people that work here, some of the staff members of the library. I'm so honored. I'm the very first one to be inside the study pod. This is so cool. Anyways, I just wanted to show you guys this new addition to the patent-free library. And there are two of them, and I am the first. I'm in the first one here. Let's turn that light down. Very, very cool. Come check out the study pods.